Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to talk about replacing the tires and wheels on my car. Come on, I'll show you what I'm gonna get. Okay, now I'll show you the tires that I'm planning to get. This discount tire. Let's see, I know they have them. Okay, so tires. I'm gonna go with size. So I'm planning with the 235 55 18ths. So let's just without vehicle. Did I press the Yoko? Nope. Okay, so here's what they have. I'll go with the Falcon. Wild Peak Trail. I know I passed it already. This one. So these are all terrain tires. So they're 154 each. So they don't have them in stock, but they can get them. So let's check how much total, including installation. So what does it say here? Right, I just want to check. Free services, blah 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 blah. Okay, let's go to cart. View cart. So allow them. Okay, so additional fees, install 76, whatever, disposal fees, and I always get this. This is very handy when something happens. So after tax, that's my total with the certificates. So now let me show you the wheels. Let's order those wheels. Alright, then we can just order this on a later day. Alright. Okay, so we're gonna go to one of the reputable website. So it will be Evasive Motorsports. Wi-Fi connection is slow here. Check the connection. Switch that back there. Okay, now we're gonna go to the wheels. Of course. So I'm planning to get some Volk Racing T37. Be okay with the Saga. So wheels will be 18 and 8.5 for the width. Bolt pattern 5 by 114. And offset, we're gonna choose 35. So, yep. So filter those. So want bronze. Change that to 4. Okay. Next, we're gonna get some lug nuts. Of course, we're gonna get race. And for the CHR, they're gonna be 12 by 1.5 on the pitch. Just want black. Don't like any fancy colors. Gonna get this guy. Let's add that to cart. And I'm gonna check out. I'm just gonna continue as guest. Let's add that keychain. Let's pay with Visa. Name on card. That'll be my name. And now let's complete the order. Got declined. No. No. It can't be. No. No! Oh my god. It's a bad dream. I can keep dreaming to get those wheels someday. Okay, so the truth is, I don't have money to buy all of those stuff. So, as you saw, card got declined because there's no funds on it. Alright, because I don't work. So, but my plan in the future, once I got some money saved up, I will definitely get those wheels and tires. So, yep. So please subscribe on my channel. Share the video, hit that like button. Still gonna have a giveaway if I reach 500 subscribers the end of May of this year 2020. we're gonna have a giveaway. So please hit that subscribe button and share this video. Alright? Thank you for watching. Bye.